Welcome to the channel, Excellence, where we strive for excellence. We strive to be one better than what we were yesterday. Now, somebody asked me, they say on Facebook, your channel, your page, Sunny Sun, it done went wild. They say, what happened? Well, I'm going to explain to y'all what happened. See, a lot of people that's on Facebook, y'all may be local, from state to state, this, that, and the other. But see, this is what happens when you go viral. When people see you worldwide. That's why you have to pay real close attention to the content that you put out on social media. Social media is a platform, really, for the gods to watch you and to record the things you do. See, you seen the video of Michael Jackson? Remember the time where the pharaohs had people entertain them, come in front of them to see who's the funniest, and if you didn't, some of them was beheaded, fed to the lions, stoned to death. Signs and symbols are for the conscious mind. Be conscious of the things that you put out on social media for entertainment. See, life and life force starts with a thought. The thoughts are the cause of it all, but yet they have no cause. This world is in a condition that is in because of the way you think and the thoughts that you are putting in the air. The thoughts that you put in the air are the things that you are bringing to manifestation. See, you making it manifest. See, because whatever you put out there, it's got to come back to you first before it can go where you want it to go. See, that's energy. See, life is based on energy and sound. What is the loudest sound in the universe? You see, the loudest sound in the universe is silence. Silence is the loudest sound. See, the still small voice is the loudest sound in the universe. See, how far do the sound waves travel? Well, the sound wave of the voice only travels so far. Because if a person is too far away from you, I don't care how loud you holler, they'll never hear you. But the vibration of energy and the sound of the heart can be heard throughout the universe. See, the sound of the heart can be heard like the trees when the wind blows. And you know how it is when the wind blow them trees or when you blowing them trees. See, it took a long time to tap in to certain vibrations and certain energy within yourself. Man is born with unlimited capacity for improvement. So it's all kind of switches inside of him. He got more switches than hydraulics to turn on, to activate different type of power. See, where is that power generated? It's generated from the heart to the mind. See, that's where you become creative. Everything you see on this plane of things made manifest that we call physical appearance appeared through man, through the vibration of the spirit lowering its consciousness and vibrating on different realms. See, the fastest thing in this world is the speed of light. The speed of light is the speed of consciousness, the speed of thought, of knowledge, of wisdom, of understanding. It's a big gift in understanding. It's a treasure. See, you can read, watch, and see a whole lot of things. But if you don't understand it for what it is, and you want to keep trying to make it what seems to be, you will never grow like that tree. See, the key to life is to grow like a tree, as above, so below. So you got to be deeply rooted as you're reaching up. You got to, as you're reaching up, you got to reach down and pull up. See, when you coming up, if you ain't reaching down and linking on, and so like you say, your chain is only as strong as your weakest link. Once you start pulling up, then you gonna choke out and die. So you got to keep that link going. There's been a lot of things going on in this universe. Watch the energy that's around you. Start turning off certain switches and turning on other ones. See, some people you need to cut off, and some people you need to cut on. You need to tune more into and pay more attention to, because they're there for your growth and development. We don't cross paths by accident. Ain't no strange happenings. Everything that will be, and everything that was meant to be was meant to be. That you can plainly see. See, I come to all of y'all in love. I'ma leave y'all in peace. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day. The mindset is eternal life. See, for 40 days and for 40 nights, Jesus went into the wilderness to learn the reincarnation of man. I'm out. Have a blessed day.